Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Woodforest mobile banking account. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. I've compiled a list of different steps to complete here to create a Woodforest mobile banking account. So the first one you need to do is, if you're using an Android or iOS device, go to the Apple or App Store or Play Store, search for Woodforest mobile banking app, download and install the app. And then once you've done that, open up the app. And then step 3 is to sign up for online banking. So if you don't already have an online banking account with Woodforest National Bank, you need to sign up to get one. So on the app's main screen, select the option to enroll in the online banking. And then follow the prompts to provide necessary information such as your account number, social security number, and other personal details. Then from there, you need to create a username and password. And then once that is all said and done, you need to go ahead and verify your identity. So you may need to answer security questions or verify your identity through a code sent to your email or phone. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and log in. So once your online banking account is set up, use your new username and password to log in to the app. And then from there, you want to set up security features. So set up any additional security features such as a biometric login. For example, your fingerprint or face recognition if your device supports it. It just gives your account just that extra layer of security and peace of mind. And then from there, go ahead and explore the app. So familiarize yourself with the app's features, including checking balances, transferring funds, paying bills, etc. If you search in YouTube how to find or do all that type of stuff, everything's available. So if you need to learn how to pay a bill using this app, go ahead and search it in YouTube. And another thing to note, if you encounter any issues during the setup process, you can always contact the Woodforest National Bank's customer service for any additional assistance.